Me see one with a thumping. Bloop, 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 bloop. So me I say with the blood clot, this I me shift through the code. Me I forgot some in the own 2 blood clot iPhone na fire. Me have to remember to take out my phone because if me take out my phone right now, people ignorant. Cause me that video blood clot. Me hear poop, 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 poop. Be a thump up. Me see one head down. When me see one red ear, me see the woman have one red ear in her hand. So poop, 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 poop. When me look, Jodi couture. The woman give Jodi some blood clot lick. Only God he knows. Only Jesus he knows. Only God he knows the pains. Only God's knows the pains that happened last night. The woman give Jodi some blood clot lick. But she have one friend in a one black dress. I mean I know who that lady there. I see the lady running with a buckle and lick the woman, popping her head side. Bust the woman head right here, so. When me look now, me not lie. Kim try, you know. Kim a try for help her friend. Kim did a try. But me say the girl, big up her man. Cup man him name. Big up yourself, cup man. Me rate man like blood clot, you cup man. Yeah? Maria man like you cut man. So when cut man look and see a 3 of them. A jumping blood clot woman cut man running and thump on her blood clot. Yeah, cut man me. Blood clot rape man like you. Now make no girl blood clot jump your woman. Defend your blood clot woman. Where? Move on the blood clot. Me rape man like blood. You when nobody in the dance they want say last night. And I lucky me never did have my blood clot phone. And I don't know what happened last night. I just a walk so. Cause you miss the whole of my rich friend them. I just walk so. I just a walk so through the answer grandma answer name man. You hang up the phone and the woman a call you back. You see she a call you back. Hold on. So she a call you back there. Yeah, she a call you back. Yeah. Yeah, me rate man like that. Me like I'm drink the water. She hang up. She go away, she go, she soon come. Me rate man like that. Yeah, me rate man like that. Him help him woman. Him help him. Yeah, 3 pound 1. 3 pound 1. Ah, me could have me stand up there. Come here wonder when she don't get the blood clot lick them now. Hear the woman jump up and her head raise up, you know. What? I wish he would. I wish it. I say how the blood clot do this. And cut my blood clot, yeah, because the amount of blood clot punch you get. Where you hold up your blood clot head and ask, what? Move your blood clot. I mean, you see them someone of them here that come talk about them. Them did go jump me. Me see a prison who want me go left my blood clot to look boy them. Me see, come me da lift it up and broke it blood clot back in Jesus' name. I says this in Jesus blood clot name. When I say would a jump blood clot me what there when time me and did I go back and forth and like would a jump me sister a jail no want me.